Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. Today I'm really excited to bring you my December Petit Vour unboxing. I know this is a little bit late this month, but I think the box is shipped out. We're just a little bit slower to ship because it is close to the holidays and I feel like everything is just taking a long time to ship. So I just got my box. If you haven't gotten your box yet, that probably is what's going on. In case you aren't familiar with Petit Vour, they are a cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic beauty subscription box. So each month you get a variety of different products ranging from skincare, body care, hair care, nails, makeup, whatever. And the price of the box is $18. You normally get at least one full-size product and then a couple of like deluxe sample sizes. And I am an affiliate for Petit Vour, which means I am sent the box. As I always say, even when I'm sent a product, I will give you my honest thoughts and opinions. If I don't like a product, I will let you know. So what I like to do is I like to do first impressions of the current month's box. So I'll try on any like makeup products that there are in the box and then give you first impressions if I've had a chance to use the products in the box that are like skincare, body care. I'll let you know what my first thoughts on those are, and then I will go back and do a review of the previous month's box. So in this video, I'll be including a review of the November Petit Vour box. And as always, if you would like to support me, support Naturally Beautiful Girl, help me do what I do, which is bring you non-toxic beauty content, I do have an affiliate link for the subscription and also for shopping in the store as well. So if you choose to do that, thank you so much in advance. It's at no additional cost to you. It just gives me a commission and, you know, allows Naturally Beautiful Girl to keep running. So now that I've gotten all that disclaimed, let's go ahead and jump right in. The first product I got in this month's box is a concealer, and I'm super excited because I've actually been wanting to try out this concealer. This is from Skincare Cosmetics. They pretty recently came out with some concealers, and I didn't initially try them because their shade range wasn't huge. But then they expanded their shade range a bit, which it's still not great. I will call them out on that. They do need more shades, but they did come out with a shade in Fair, and that is what I got in this box. I should also note that for the subscription box, you do fill out a little survey, and it asks you questions about like your skin type, your hair type, your skin tone, all of that, so that the products can be more customized to you. They're not always perfectly customized. For me, I found it works so much better when I have a box that at least has some sort of little survey thing. Even if it's not perfect, it normally works better for me than boxes that just send the same thing to everyone, because then there's no control at all over the products, and I could get, you know, a concealer that's completely the wrong shade, or a product that's like targeted for really dry skin and I have really oily skin. So I do really like that about Petit Vour. And that was one of the reasons before I became an affiliate for Petit Vour, why I was subscribed to Petit Vour for so long on my own, because I actually really like the box. Let's go ahead and try this out. This is a full-size concealer, and it is valued at $18. And in the tube, the shade looks pretty good. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a little pink. I find that a lot of concealers in the shade Fair will run a little bit pink, but sometimes I can get them to work. I've seen worse, so that's actually not too bad. It smells like aloe vera. It's got a nice scent, not too strong, and it does have a really nice little doe foot applicator. I have quite a friend over here. I don't know if you probably have noticed. And I also have not concealed under my eyes, so we're gonna try concealing on some acne and also under my eyes. I have a variety of different tools. I have a damp beauty sponge. I have some loose setting powder. We're gonna play around with this and see what works best. Typically, I find that using a damp sponge with these like liquid doe foot application concealers works best for me, but each formula is a little different, so we'll just see what works. So you can see this eye here is concealed and this eye is still not concealed. So I am so far liking it under my eye. It was super brightening. The coverage is good. I had pretty dark circles. It's near the holidays. I've been stressed. I haven't been sleeping the best. And also that's why I have some, you know, unwanted friends on my face right now. But I do like it, and it blended out really easily with my finger. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and that'll set it. But I do have to say it's drying down. It's a little sticky. It is drying down. I always set my concealer. I have oily skin, and I just find that my concealer does not stay in place no matter which one. Even the ones that say they set, I still find the need to set it with a powder, so I will go ahead and do that. I did go ahead and just set it with my 14E Prime and Set powder. I didn't bake with it because it was drying down quite a bit, so I don't think it really needed a bake to stay in place, but I will obviously let you guys know as I play around with this throughout the month how it is. But honestly, so far so good. I'd heard really good things about this concealer. So far I'm impressed. Let's try to conceal this over here. Really only found one concealer that works well on acne and under my eyes, and that is the new PYT concealer, which I can't remember if that one's vegan or not. Might not be vegan. I always forget to mention this, but if you look in the description box of all my videos, at least now forward, I'm trying, as long as I don't forget, to list whether a product is vegan or not. That way you guys know all the products I use are cruelty-free, which means none of them are tested on animals. Some are vegan, some are not, but I always list which ones are vegan and which ones are not. Alright, so it did conceal over here well, but I did make a mistake, and I think I made this mistake a little bit under my eyes. This concealer is quite full coverage, so you only need a little bit, and the issue is I like got too much on the spot, and now it looks kind of funny because now you can clearly see where the concealer is, and when I was trying to blend it, I then blended away some of my blush, which that is my own fault. But it did cover it, so it is full coverage. I just think I wasn't expecting it to be quite as full coverage as it was, and I put too much on. So that is on me, not on the concealer. I tried to improve the situation by putting a little bit of powder on top, which I think helped it blend, but then it also knocked some of the concealer off. So I'm still not entirely sure if that is the best for acne, but I do really like how it's looking under my eyes. The next product I got I was also really excited about, and this is from Andalou Naturals. We got the Andalou Naturals Kukui body butter a couple boxes ago, and this is their 1000 Roses Soothing Body Lotion. And I was excited for this because I'm actually surprisingly running a little bit low on body lotion at the moment, and I am traveling very soon. I'll be traveling just a couple days after this video goes up, and when I saw this I was like, perfect, now I have a body lotion I can take with me when I'm traveling. I did try this out last night after I showered. It did rub in well, which that is like a huge concern for me in body lotions, and it does smell like roses, but I don't know, I like the rose scent. Maybe I just don't like rose face mist. Maybe that is where my problem is. I didn't mind it being on my legs, or maybe at least just the type of rose scent it is. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't mind it. I was surprised by that. And it is moisturizing, but it's not as moisturizing as the body butter. The body butter is a thicker consistency, and this is more of a thinner lotion consistency. I think if you need like super hydration, I would recommend that body butter over this body lotion, but this is a nice product, and my legs did feel really nice after I put it on. Definitely looking forward to using this some more, and it will be coming with me when I travel. And the value of this body lotion is $2 because it is a deluxe sample size, and I actually saw this one at my Whole Foods last night. So if you're looking for the Andalou Naturals products locally, I do know that my Whole Foods does carry them. I also got a sample size of the Gold Faded MD Brightening Elixir. I have not tried this Gold Faded MD product before. I've tried a couple other ones and liked them. I think this is actually the third Gold Faded MD product we've gotten in a Petit Vour box, because we got their eye cream and also their sulfur face mask, which I still use. I use that as a spot treatment actually. I am excited to try this out. I have found Gold Faded MD products to be just really nice. I have found Gold Faded MD products to just be very nice, very high performing. I didn't get a chance to try this out last night. As you can see, I am having some breakouts at the moment, so I really have been careful about my skincare and the products I'm using, and really only sticking to products I know that work really well, because my face is obviously a little bit upset at the moment. So I haven't tried this out. I will though, and let you know during my January Petit Vour unboxing when I do a review of the December Petit Vour box. It's full of antioxidants. I noticed one of the main ingredients in it was L-sorbic acid and tocopherol, and it is supposed to work against photoaging and free radical damage while leaving the skin feeling hydrated and looking radiant. So it sounds nice. I don't have really any photo damage because I am very careful about wearing sunscreen and staying out of the sun. I'm almost willing to try out a new product. And the value of that sample was $18. Gold Faded MD products are very expensive. Even the sample sizes are often very expensive. And then the final product we got was from True Moringa, and this is their rejuvenating body polish. And this is a coffee and sugar scrub with moringa oil in it. And it's a little sample size, and it's valued at $8.50. I did try this out in the shower last night, and I did like it. I love coffee. I'm a huge coffee lover. I love drinking coffee. I love coffee scents, coffee desserts, like everything coffee. This definitely has a very strong coffee scent. So if you don't like coffee, you might not like this. But I did use it in the shower, and I did like how scrubby it was. Some scrubs you use in the shower, and as soon as they get wet, they start kind of breaking down on you. Whereas this one really maintained its like scrubbing integrity. So it was really doing a good job of exfoliating, which I like, because I always feel like if I'm going to exfoliate my legs, like I want really heavy duty exfoliation. I don't want to be messing around with, you know, kind of exfoliating, kind of not. So I did enjoy that. The only thing I have against coffee scrubs is I think they're really messy. I have a white bathtub and shower. It's a one-piece bathtub shower thing. And I find that coffee scrubs get my bathtub area so dirty, and they can be staining. So for that reason, they're not my favorite product, because I just find them to be very messy. I enjoyed this product, but am I going to enjoy cleaning my bathtub afterwards? No. That's the con to this, but I did enjoy the actual experience of using the product. So the overall value of this month's box is $46.50, which is a really good deal considering the box cost $18. Okay, so I'm gonna jump ahead to give you a review of the previous month's box. Last month, one of the products we got was a My Daughter's fragrance, and I got the scent Joyful. I do really like this one. The notes were jasmine, orange blossom, grapefruit, bergamot, and spearmint. I do find that My Daughter's fragrance perfumes last a long time and have a quite strong scent. So if you've had issues with perfumes not lasting a long time, these definitely do. They're quite potent. I just have discovered I don't actually reach for perfume that often, so I haven't used this a ton. I have liked it when I have used it. The next product we got was from Donora. I still don't know how to say this. It's D-O-N-O-R-E, and it's by The Organic Face, and it was like a lip and cheek tint duo. And I have this kind of orangey peachy shade. I've tried this a couple times, and I just don't like it. I have other kind of cream lip cheek products I like better. I didn't really like it on my cheeks. I thought it was too sheer and almost like too balmy, too moisturizing. Like it wasn't stiff enough. Like you obviously want a product to be creamy enough that you can apply it, but this I just felt like was kind of oily and not that pigmented. It just wasn't my favorite, and I didn't really like it on my lips either. So this is probably a product that will be leaving my collection soon because I just really didn't like it that much. If you got this product in your Petit Vour box for November, let me know what you think. Did you like it? Is it maybe this color? Because I know some other people got different colors. Maybe this color is just not the best. Let me know. I also got the Evolve H styling lotion, and I have tried this out a few times. How I like to use it is I like to put it in my hair when my hair is still damp, and then braid my hair, sleep with my hair in braids, and then in the morning I'll unbraid my hair and I'll have wavy hair. I did find when I put that product in, it did help my waves to last longer, which longer lasting waves are better, especially because I do not wash my hair every day, so extending the style of my hair is important. I did try using this product in before kind of doing a blowout in my hair, but I didn't really like that because I thought it was a little sticky, and so it actually made it difficult to work with. It was fine when I was braiding it, but just like trying to heat style with that in was not my favorite. I was hoping it would like extend the heat styling of my hair, but just I didn't like how it made my hair feel. I'm not entirely sure that this is the best product just for my hair type. I guess just for my hair type and how I normally style my hair, I just didn't find it to be the most helpful. Like I said, I did like it for holding my waves in longer, but I don't do that often. I mean, you guys mostly see me with straight hair, especially now that it's shorter. It's easiest for me to just style my hair kind of straight. I flat iron it like this. Honestly, I'd much rather use the Yoroke Feed Your Ends Leave-In Conditioner Heat Protectant spray before I style my hair rather than using that. I like the way that performed better when I like heat style my hair. And the final product we got in last month's box was from Mehta Skincare, and this is their Comforting Hand Balm. And I have to say, I really have been enjoying this. Let me show you. I made a significant dent in it already. because I've been using this on my hands at night. This happens to me every winter. My hands start getting really dry, and this really does help. I find it to be super nourishing. I love the scent too. Oh, I know why I like the scent. It's got lavender and limonene in it, so lemon and lavender. That explains why I like it. But I just have really been enjoying using this product, and I would be very tempted to purchase a full size when I run out of this, because I will run out of this. And I just find around the winter it to be really nice. I like putting it on my knuckles, particularly, and like also around my cuticles, just kind of focusing on the areas on my hands that get really dry. But definitely a good product. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my December Petit Vour unboxing and my review of the November Petit Vour box. Let me know down in the comment section down below. If you got the Petit Vour box, let me know what you got, what you thought of the products you got. Let me know all that down below. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram. I'll have my handle down below. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!